You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these two words, as well as how to say more confusing but interesting vocabulary in English. Stay tuned to learn more. The top word designates a material, something that is compact and quite heavy. Dense. Dense is how it's said. Now the bottom word is said rather differently in British English or American English. In British English it's said as dance. Dance. Okay, so it's more open R sound. Dance. That's obviously when you're dancing in a nightclub, for example. Now the Americans say it as dance. Dance, which sounds a lot like the top word. Dance. Dance is how the Americans say dancing. Dancing is how they call it. Okay, so the top word is dance. The bottom word is a dance or dance. And now you know, I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments, like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.